Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. The first way would be to go to the Sequence tab at the top and click on Sequence Settings. From here, you can change the ratio or the frame size to 1080 by 1920, and the ratio should be 9 by 16 right here, and just click on OK and OK once again. And it will require you to go to Effect Controls and adjust the scale and the position so that it will fill in the whole frame. The second way would then be to select the clip on your timeline, go to the Sequence tab again, and we are going to look for Auto Reframe Sequence at the bottom part of this menu options. From here, we are going to change the target aspect ratio to vertical and 9 by 16 and click on Create right here. And Premiere Pro will automatically crop it and adjust the ratio of your video. And that is how you can basically change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.